Welcome to A History in Color. Here, we delve into the depths of history, exploring stories both triumphant and tragic. In the sultry heat of a Texas summer, the cotton fields swayed under the relentless sun, their verdant rows stretching endlessly towards the horizon. It was June 19, 1865, and the air was pregnant with anticipation, though few knew it at the time. The echoes of a momentous proclamation, the Emancipation Proclamation, issued by President Abraham Lincoln 2 years prior, were about to reverberate across the Lone Star State in a celebration that would come to be known as Juneteenth. June 19, 1865 dawned like any other day in Galveston, Texas. The enslaved toiled in the fields, their backs bent under the weight of oppression, their spirits heavy with the longing for freedom. But on this day, a ripple of excitement coursed through the community as rumors began to spread like wildfire. Union General Gordon Granger had arrived in Galveston with an announcement that would change their lives forever. In a public declaration, General Granger read aloud General Order No. 3, proclaiming, "The people of Texas are informed that in accordance with a proclamation from the Executive of the United States, all slaves are free." The words hung in the air, electrifying the atmosphere with hope and disbelief. For the enslaved population, it was a moment of liberation, a realization of the dream they had dared not hope for. Freedom had finally come to Texas, 2.5 years after President Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation had officially ended slavery in the Confederate States. As news of emancipation spread, jubilant celebrations erupted throughout Texas. Former slaves danced in the streets, tears mingling with laughter as they embraced newfound freedom. Juneteenth, a portmanteau of June and 19th, became an annual commemoration of emancipation, a day to honor the resilience and strength of those who had endured the horrors of slavery. In the years following emancipation, Juneteenth celebrations evolved, becoming vibrant expressions of African American culture and heritage. Communities gathered for picnics, parades, and religious services, rejoicing in their newfound freedom while honoring the struggles of their ancestors. As generations passed, Juneteenth continued to hold a special significance in the hearts of African Americans. It served as a reminder of the long and arduous journey towards freedom, a testament to the resilience of a people who had faced unimaginable hardship with unwavering courage. In 1980, Texas became the first state to officially recognize Juneteenth as a state holiday. Since then, Juneteenth has gained widespread recognition across the United States, with celebrations spreading to communities far beyond the borders of Texas. In 2021, Juneteenth took on added significance as President Joe Biden signed into law the Juneteenth National Independence Day Act, establishing June 19th as a federal holiday commemorating the end of slavery in the United States. As Juneteenth approaches each year, Americans of all backgrounds come together to celebrate freedom and commemorate the struggles of those who fought for equality. It is a day of reflection, a time to honor the past while envisioning a future where liberty and justice truly are for all. Yet, even as we celebrate how far we've come, Juneteenth serves as a reminder that the journey towards true equality is far from over. As we reflect on the legacy of Juneteenth, let us recommit ourselves to the ongoing fight for justice and equality for all. In the heart of Texas, where the echoes of emancipation first rang out, Juneteenth remains a symbol of hope, resilience, and the enduring spirit of freedom. As we gather to celebrate this historic day, may we never forget the sacrifices of those who came before us, and may we continue to strive towards a future where all are truly free. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of history. If you found this content insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to A History in Color for more engaging discussions on the past, present, and future.